everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bike repair business. So if you are also running a bike repair business, then this video is for you. Using Pabbly Chatflow, you can create a WhatsApp chatbot that will work as a 24/7 assistant for your customer, answering their queries and making bookings. So if you also want to make your customers more happy and engaged, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bike repair business. So a chatbot can serve as a virtual assistant for a bike repair business by responding to customer inquiries, booking, service appointments, promoting services, and even collect customers' information. And this automation reduces manual intervention and ensure customers receive timely and accurate assistance even outside of business hours. So this chatbot is going to enable customers to book repair or maintenance appointments, provide customers with a comprehensive list of repair and maintenance. So let's create our own WhatsApp chatbot. But firstly, I'm going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. As you can see, I have already opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now let's type a message here. I'm going to send a message that is hello bike repair. As soon as I'm entering the message, I am getting a welcome message that is hello customer, welcome to XYZ Repair, your one-stop solution for bike repairs, servicing and care. How can we help you today? And we are getting 3 buttons, that is book a repair, check repair status, view services. So now let's click on book a repair. Once I clicked on book a repair, it is providing me a message which is asking for some details. So now let's enter these details to see what will happen next. Here you can see I have provided these details, and after that I am receiving a message that my request has been received and they will connect me shortly. So now let's enroll to our another option, that is check repair status. As I'm clicking on check repair status, it is asking me to enter the repair ID or the phone number which I have used during the booking. So now let's enter our repair ID or the phone number. Here I am entering a dummy number. After entering a dummy number, it is providing me a message that status is in progress and estimated delivery will be in 2 days. And if I want to call them, I can call in this number. Now let's see what will happen if we have clicked on view services. After clicking on view services, it is providing me a list which consists of the services they offered. And it is asking me whether I want to make a booking. And here we are getting 2 buttons, that is yes book now and maybe later. So now let's click on yes book now here. As I'm clicking on yes book now, again it is providing me a message asking for some details. Now enter these details here. You can see I have entered these details again and it is providing me a thank you message, and this message displays that my request has been received and they will connect me shortly. So here you can see our chatbot is working properly. You can also create a chatbot like this for your bike repair business by using Pabbly Chatflow. For accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just need to type its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting 2 options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but as I already have an account in Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. For creating a chatbot, you just need to access Pabbly Chatflow app. And here in this Pabbly Chatflow app, we are getting 2 buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, you just need to click on access. Once you will click on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly, and you can see this is the WhatsApp number I have added to my account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chatflow. And here you are getting the option for folders. If you want to create your own folder, you can just click here and create your own folder. On the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. Now let me explain these features one by one shortly. The first one we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive the messages from our customer and we send them automated reply. Now another one we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now next one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access for managing your own chatbots. Now another one we are getting is templates. If you want to create your own template, you can just click here and create it. If you want to broadcast your any messages on a preferred date or time, you can just click here. Now next one is the most important one, that is flows. We need to access flows for creating our chatbots. Now another one we are getting is AI assistant. You can create or add your own AI assistants from here. Now the last second one is settings. You can manage your settings according to you here. The last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can just click here. Now for creating a chatbot, we need to access flows. For that, just click on flows here. Once you will click on flow, this flow builder page will appear, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. If you also want to create or add your own flow, you can just click on add flow button here. After clicking on add flow button, you will get this flow page, and here you can see this is the flow start node. If you want to provide a name to your flow, you can just name it here. Here I am providing it the name how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bike repair business. You can provide the name according to you. Now moving on to the flow start node, firstly we are getting is to enter the keywords. So you might be thinking what are keywords? So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter. Here I am going to enter a keyword that is hello. Here I have entered only one keyword, but you can enter as many as keywords you want. Now moving on to the next, it is asking me to enter the regex. Regex are basically the short form for the regular expression. It is used to handle specific user inputs. But if you want to trigger any message, you can just enter regex like this. Now moving on to the next, we are getting the option for choose template. If you want to add template to your message, you can just click here and select the template you want to add to your message. Now if a user send me a message, I want to provide them a welcome message. For that, just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting many options such as text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message, and templates. For entering a message, you just need to click on text plus button here. After clicking on text plus button, this message node will appear in front of you, and here you can enter the message you want to send to your customer. Here I have entered a message for my customer. Now I am going to create some buttons for them. For that, I will just click on add button, and here it is asking me to enter the text of the button. So now enter the text of your button. The first button I am going to create is book a repair. Now I am going to create my another button. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my second button, that is check repair status. Now let's create our third button. For that, just click on add button and enter the text of the third button. I have created my third button, that is view services. Now if my user clicks on book a repair, I want to ask them for the details. For that, I will just go to actions, and here you can see you are getting the option for ask question. Just click on ask question, and here you can see this is the question node. Now let's connect our book a repair button with this question node. Here you can enter the message or the question you want to ask from your customer. Here I have entered a message for my customer asking about the booking details. Now it is asking me to select contact custom fields. Here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own contact custom fields. For that, you just have to go to settings, and here you can see you are getting the option for contact custom fields. Once you will click on contact custom fields, you can create your own fields. Now let's select contact custom field as description here. Now the format would be any. Now if the user enters the detail, I want to provide them a message. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button here. And here in this message node, I am going to enter a message for my customer that I have received their response, and I will connect them shortly. Here you can see I have entered a message for my customer. Now let's enhance our flow and provide the option for checking repair status to our customer. For that, I am going to ask some question from my customer. For that, I will go to actions and select ask question here. After selecting ask question, the question node is appeared. Now I am going to connect this check repair status button with this question node. Now let's enter the message or the question we want to ask from our customer. Here I have entered a message asking for the repair ID or the phone number from the customer. Now let's select our contact custom field as choice here, and the format would be any. Now if the customer provide these details, I want to send them a message. For that, just drag and drop, and here you can select text plus button for entering the message. Here I have entered a message for my customer informing them about their repair status and provided a contact number to them. Now let's provide the option to view services to our customer. For that, just drag and drop, and here we are going to select text plus button for entering the message. Now let's enter our service details here and provide some buttons to our customer. Here I have entered some service details and asked the user whether they want to make a booking or not. So now let's create some buttons. For that, you just have to click on add button and enter the text of your button. The first button I have created is yes book now. Now I am going to create my another button. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my second button. Here I have created my second button, that is maybe later. Now if customers select on yes book now, I am going to connect this message node to the question node which we have created for book repair. So now let's connect this yes book now button with this question node. so that if a user wants to make a booking, we will ask them these questions and their booking will be confirmed. Now if the user clicks on maybe later, I want to provide them a message. For that, I will just drag and drop and select text plus button here. So now let's enter a message here. Here I have entered a message that is thank you for your time. Now here you can see this is the flow we have created. You can also create your own flow for creating your own chatbot for your bike repair business. You can do this by using Pabbly Chatflow, and the best thing is you can use Pabbly Chatflow for free now. Now for saving the flow, you just have to click on save button here. Once you click on save button, a pop-up will appear in front of you that is flow updated successfully. Means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving the messages from our customer and how we are sending them the automated reply, let me take you to my inbox section. For that, you just have to click on inbox here. After clicking on inbox, this inbox section will appear, and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my WhatsApp. And in this chat, you can see we are successfully receiving the messages and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to our customers. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for creating more chatbot like this and learning more about Pabbly Chatflow. Thank you for watching this video. You can create multiple chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So go and create your WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.